Hello everyone, my name is Kurt, and today we're going to show you how to open up Gravity Sketch in using virtual reality. First, you're going to want to launch Steam VR. Once Steam VR is open and launched, you'll want to launch Steam now. Next, you'll want to search for Gravity Sketch VR. As you can see, we already have Gravity Sketch pulled up. We're just going to launch it. At this time, you should see Gravity Sketch through the VR headset. Next, you'll either select New or Resume Last Session if you've already played this. We're going to select New. At this time, you should see the controller in your hand. You're going to want to hold that button down that it shows to show your various control options that you have. As you can see, our user is writing hello. Well, there we have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that it helped you out. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.